Hello, Busiafo. Me somehow akwa beba fufu TV. So, of course, my name is Kwame Chumesi. And then we ba be winning products a obi to me akofebi aba beton ewo Ghana. But any winning products no, yeah, share appliances. Appliances are most homes will need. Into the video no is winning products in regards to appliances you will be able to buy, ship it to Ghana, add your profit and sell. Into without talking too much, let's get right into it. Okay, guys, into winning products number one. This product, a trendy pa TikTok. A year warming lunchbox. Lunchbox udi aduane gu mu a kind of shima. Into this is good for like construction workers and more ye ejuma office. You de bia na obekwa abonten akwakoto aduane because you'll be able to pack up your own food. Now they are to this lunchbox mo na lunchbox waso nti all the time no, during the whole day no it's warm and you have no babe kanishi and you'll be looking for a microwave to warm up your products. Yeah, into products guys. Yeah, your front warming lunchbox is trending a lot and a product yeah, a month for it to who is this wedding or motor well interested in suitable for keeping meals warm at work or on the go. Yeah, there were two removable containers, large, or like 1 liter and more 350 milliliters. So container can be washed in a dishwasher and used in the microwave. Yeah, and so this is one of the products. Yeah, air trendy pie, and I see this to be a winning product because it's good for more or more year ejuma, especially on more construction sites and on more where they will not have like a microwave available to heat up their lunch. And this is a winning product. You'll be able to buy some and bring it to Ghana and sell for profit. Warming lunch box. All right, guys. So the next on the list, a warming mag. Say the warming mag. When you say Ghana, the yemfa ye tea in the agrokra. Into this omo amu pese omu hiti their tea, their cocoa. This warming mag, a bit to me, I warm it with tea all the time. I say warming lunch box, into wear warming mag. Ubi to me, I think I thought now I warm it with tea and everything for you easily. For your breakfast in the agro. Into this another winning product. Everyone that works, will be able to use. But I said if I could ejuma from fie or ejuma from office and even construction site, this warming mag, a winning product you'll be able to buy and sell. Let me quickly show it to you close up. Yeah, and see guys, yeah, sure, and so warming mag. Also keep your favorite beverage warm at approximately 55 degrees Celsius. Perfect for home or office. On or off switch. Nti na uhu ɛwɔ ha no. Nice product you'll be able to buy and sell for profit. Ubenye bi ɛwɔ 1688 Pindodo Alibaba. Na also watobi no ayɛ den na waba abɛtɔn kama. And guys, share the price no. I have say no more ton $29. For this warming mag. But trust me, you'll be able to get some really, really cheap. Now I turn for profit. And this is another winning product. Okay, guys, into appliances, one of the products are most mini importers or motor ebeton ewo Ghana pan. Some appliances, air fryer oven. Into way de chinyama unya any oil. Into a very healthy. Into air fryer oven, you'll be able to find some on 1688 and Alibaba. No what talk be about beton ewo Ghana. Yeah, and when it comes to appliances, there are a lot of appliances you'll be able to buy and sell, or more just air fryer. When you oven, or where just air fryer will be to me the if you are actually buyer and the rest. One of the appliances, so way or more, percent, what do you call it? We use oil, no. And you be an oil, a good pan mu no then. Now what you are showing you, your deep fryer. Ewa mame fan So we a 3 liter deep fryer. Into we see another winning product is good for homes or more deep frying things, what the bet show nyama, what the show nyama so very, very safe. Into this is another winning product. And one different or more in kitchen or in kutuasu ebi na ohun wɔ ha no. Into air fryers, deep fryers too are also winning products. Obey den, obetumi afa bi na wayɛ den waba abɛtɔn ɛwɔ Ghana na amanfoɔ ɛbɛtɔ ɛpaa ɛyie. Okay, guys, another one. We a digital rice cooker. Why need DMO in Ghana for? Digital rice cooker. With this sort of rice cookers, and once I would do and do swigum. Nah, this is good for we say a suja for no, we bachelors and our single people no. We pet this rice cooker be Eddie Sylvia, and once I would do capsugum. Nah, then we do and unsugum. Now I click it so, and one be and one the back of top warm. Oba na yɛ sɛ wate wo mu no ayɛ den na wodi. Okay, into this like a close-up look into 7-cup digital rice cooker, easy carry handle. Yeah, ɛno na ɛwɔ ha no. Ubie box no mu a wei na ayɛ den wobɛhu. We say no more than $69. All right. Yeah, into box no would be ebie so wɔ ha no. Into to have a look inside no. This is how the product is digital rice cooker. Yeah. Okay, guys, another one here. To wear 5-piece stone black heavy gauge cookware set. And in this box, we have all these products. And again, another what do you call it? Winning product for the home and for the kitchen. We'll be create beer back also into me find tremo. Guys, another one. We a 5-piece wood look cookware set. We do maybe a that into share wobɛtumi anya product bi sɛ wotumi hwɛ a papapa yɛ non-stick one ni bi nti wei sei no ɔmotɔ set no nyinaa nti you get all these products ne wei wɔ ha wobɛnya the big one all the 5-piece will be in it nti this is another winning product you'll be able to buy, ship it to Ghana and sell for profit. Guys, another winning product. We're a portable USB blender. This product, and a lot of mini importers are selling it, and they sell a lot. We blend away a very portable. USB. Which charge and run set what they blend on yama, especially those that wants to live a healthy life. It's a winning product. Hana, they've got a variety, and who are different colors and different varieties. You'll be able to buy, ship it to Ghana, and sell for profit. And so this is another winning product. Yes, our juice make our into mom will put orange juice and the rest. This is also another winning product. You'll be able to buy, ship it to Ghana, and sell for profit. And they have a lot. And so these are all winning products. You'll be able to buy, ship it to Ghana, and sell for profit. Or more pen a kesiye sono, or more na kesiye ewaha. Mohu. We're nutritional pro blender. We no what the bagana or more better amount. These are all winning products. Guys, another one. We're a cast iron casserole. This cast iron product, they are trending pa ewa Ghana. I mean French. So cast iron. Cast iron utensils, they are trending a lot in Ghana and they come in different colors. Yeah, and so these are also products I'll be able to buy and sell in Ghana. And we also have something called hot pot cooker. So a hot pot cooker, where 5.5 liter hot pot cooker. Which on the price now $49 dollars. Okay. When you go Alibaba 1688 Pindodo apps no wafabi no ababeton ewo Ghana. Yeah. And to when you are all winning products you'll be able to buy and sell in Ghana. Colors and a it's last but not the least a container to organize all your stuff in your kitchen. This sort of product and they also sell a lot. They sell a lot, but I mean find tremor. Small. It's a set of 10 modular containers, which may arrange your beans, your sugar, your Milo, and your things easily. They come in different what do you call it, sizes, and to keep your kitchen very, very neat. Small. Yeah, into all these, winning products are which me after if China, Ediaba Ghana, about the tone. Yeah. And these are the sizes. Set of 10 modular containers, the sizes and a wall. These are all winning products, guys. And that's all for today, guys. And to guys, if you are looking for more winning products, please join Buy Sell Club community. And in this community, you have access to winning products, you have access to suppliers, you have access to mini importation videos, you have access to members that are always willing to help you, and a whole lot. And if you are thinking of starting your mini importation journey and you need help, this community is for you. Click on the first link in the description section below and join this community. And myself and my team will be able to assist you with your mini importation journey. My name is Kwame. I'll see you guys in my next video. Just a bye for now.